Hey there everyone, welcome to Final IT. Today we're going to be looking at configuring a new VM in VMware Workstation. This video builds on our previous video explaining how to install VMware Workstation, which can be found in the description. First we're going to want to pop open app here to open up. We've got this home screen for VMware Workstation. First off, we go up here to File and select New Virtual Machine. Should give us a dialog. Alright, so we're going to want to use the typical installation. Next, here's where we'll install or select our install media. Oftentimes it's a ISO. Right now we'll just select install operating system later. Here we'll want to select what kind of operating system we're going to be using. For example, be installing Microsoft Windows 10 on this one in this case. Give it a special or any kind of identifiable name. Test VM. Would then specify how much space we want the disk to have available to it. This isn't necessarily the size of the hard drive on your actual disk. And you'll probably want to leave it to split the virtual disk into multiple files as default. Alright, and here at this last screen we'll still want to go and hit customize hardware. We're going to want to select how much RAM we'll be giving this machine. Then for processors, you can select how many number of processors actually means like physical processors on your machine kind of. For the most part I recommend leaving that just at 1 unless you are running like a multi-processor server machine. Generally your processor will have quite a few, or will have some cores in it though, and so you can select how many virtual cores you want to assign to your virtual machine. Somewhere between 2 and 4 is generally alright. You also want to go to your network adapter and change it to bridged mode for it to be connected to the same network that your primary machine is actually connected to. And got those settings set, we'll just hit close, then we can hit finish, and it'll go ahead and create our virtual machine for us. Alright, thanks for watching guys, like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think.